shot. You gotta hit me with your best shot.
That's even more editing I've got to do.
She started recording. Oh.
So welcome to the latest campsite review. Today we are taking a look at the Caravan and Motorhome Club site near Wareham called Hunters Moon. It is our second site we've visited from the club, following Haycraft, and a link to that review is coming up later, so let's see how this one compares. So here we are at Hunters Moon, about 3 miles north of Wareham. The site is accessed from the Beer Road, which is a busy 50-mile-an-hour road, and there's no footpath, so bear that in mind, and you can turn into the park just here. Before I get right into this, if you like this video, it would mean the world to me if you give it a thumbs up, and if you really like the video, why not consider subscribing to the channel? Okay, let's get on with it. Welcome to the Caravan and Motorhome Club's Hunters Moon site. Let's have a look around. So like I said, the drive-in is on a decent sized road, and from what we experienced, unless your sat-nav plays tricks, most roads approaching this site are main roads, so there shouldn't be a problem for bigger caravans or motorhomes. And here we are. It's pretty clear as we pull in where you need to go. There's the arrivals to the left here. So we're going to pull up here and pop into the reception, and before we know it, we had everything we needed. The process here was very much the same as the only other Caravan and Motorhome Club site we've been to, in that they let you know the selection of pictures that you can have, and you can drive around and pick any one that is unattended. Shower and toilets coming up on the left here, more on that in a moment. And we're going to go around the corner here and see which one we like the look of. This one on the right here looks pretty good. Picture number 57 seems to have a tiny bit of shelter from the trees and not too far from the toilets. And as we pull in, you see that little white post up ahead of us. You have to pull up to your either front left or the rear right of your motorhome or caravan to that point, which means your unit is in the exact middle of the pitch, which leaves equal distance on either side for a car or an awning. Time for the site walk, and here is the entrance and reception that you have already seen. Here's a map of the site. As you can see, there are over 100 pitches, so it's quite a bit bigger than the last Caravan and Motorhome Club site we stayed at. We're going to take a walk this way, which will give you a good feel for the site. Here is the second shower block. We saw the first one as we drove in. And here we are back to the first shower block we saw. Let's walk past this shower block back down to reception. And here is a good view of an empty hard-standing pitch. They're a decent size, as you can see, with the fire break grass on either side. And as we wander down, we are now back to the main gate where we drove in a second ago, and we're now going to head round back to the van. And now let's have a look at the facilities, starting with the shop. It was a very small shop on site in the reception area, selling nothing more than things like toys and biscuits, sweets, etc., plus a few condiments in jars that you're going to see. So there's no main meals or substantial food being sold in here from what I could see. The shower and toilet block have the same measures in place as they do at Haycraft, where you have to put a little tag on a hook, and if the hooks are full, you don't go in until someone comes out. I guess this is a Caravan and Motorhome Club standard, and once inside they are pretty standard as well. Nothing too fancy like we found at Motorhome. But they're functional, and of course social distancing measures are in place, hence all the tape and the boarded off showers. The one shower block that I filmed in, there were a small washing up area with 3 sinks that you can see here, although again 2 of them have been taped off, and we have plugs again, which is not always the case in all motorhome or all campsites. There's another room with a washer and dryer and another couple of sinks, again 1 sink being taped off. So for the service areas and waste for your caravan or motorhome, there was a dump station that you can drive over to unload your tanks, and it was alongside the water taps as well. In the shower block round the back was the chemical waste toilet disposal, and there were rubbish bins as well, and all of these facilities are dotted around the site, so these aren't the only ones. There was 2 or 3 of them in other areas as well. And there was a decent sized play park for the younger ones to let off some steam, and the Wareham Forest Way runs down the back of the site, which has direct access from the park itself. But be warned, it can get very muddy, as you can see in these photos, which I'll show you more of in another video. And what's nearby? What is near this campsite? Well, of course there is Wareham, which, as mentioned I think already, it's only 3 miles away. It has pubs and a pretty sort of village quay with some bars and pubs around it, which is a nice place to sit out. Not too far away is the beachside town of Swanage, one of our favourite local beaches to go to, or local, within an hour. And of course Corfe Castle with all its history, so don't forget to check out Corfe, and there are untold things to see along the Jurassic coast, so plenty to see and do around this campsite.
Best shot! You gotta hit me with your best shot.
That's even more editing I've got to do.
You started recording. Oh!
Okay. So that, we don't need that way, that was Hunters Moon Caravan and Motorhome Club site. I think I may...
A bit silly. I think she's broken.
I think she is broken. I think I may have said it wrong a couple of times and called it Harvest Moon, but it's Hunters Moon for the record. It was good, we liked it. It was, pictures were decent, weren't they? Pictures are good size, quite a big site. I think there's like 100 odd pictures.
Yeah.
Pictures are a good size,
No, I saw
hard standing.
154.
Did you? There you go, there might even be more than that. Toilets were okay, we didn't... Pardon?
Just ran the corner of the toilets.
Really? Okay, there you go, 150 something pictures. Thank you, Max. Toilets were good.
Yeah.
We didn't use the showers, obviously, because it's before the 17th of May by 2 days.
Yeah.
Oh, 1 day now. And the
Bathrooms clean.
bathrooms are clean and tidy.
And
Washing up was
warm.
clean and tidy and warm. Dated a little bit compared to Portisham, but
Yeah.
I think we were spoiled
Yeah,
at
yeah.
Portisham.
They're still fine.
I think we'll come back here, won't we? Close to Wareham.
I wouldn't choose a grass patch.
No, not in this way. I mean,
Not
in
this
July,
one.
the grass pictures are probably good, but they are
Absolutely filthy.
quite muddy and soggy. But
I saw a really small caravan.
yeah, little small caravan is going up there.
I got woken by the torrential rain last night, but that's not the campsite's fault.
So in summary, there's a play park, toilets are good, washing up is good, there's a laundry, a little shop, not really selling anything, just biscuits and sweets and stuff. 2-3 miles from Wareham.
Yeah. Which
Caravan
if
and
you can
Motorhome
walk
Club.
or
You can walk it if
cycle.
you wanted to walk 6 or 7 miles. We cycled
Pub
it
down the
yesterday.
road.
Pub called the Silent
On the
Woman down the
main
road. No footpath there though, so you'd have to go the back way. But all in all, pretty good. We'll come back.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you like it,
definitely.
Max?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so
Well, apart from the Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah,
apart from the phone
You have to
signal,
pay
you
for
pay
Wi-Fi.
for. You do have to. Good point, Max. Good job you're here, darling. Yeah, you have to pay £3.50 a day for Wi-Fi, or something like £12 for a week.
And we don't know how good it'll be.
We don't know how good it'll be because we didn't use it because we managed without Wi-Fi. No, Max was using our phones on. We didn't use the Wi-Fi.
No, sometimes I use it. Sometimes when I'm looking, I'm connected to Wi-Fi camera.
Yeah, but you have to sign up for that, so you probably won't get anything. Anyway, £3.50 to sign up for the Wi-Fi. Phone signal's not very good. We will come back, I think. And I think that's it. So, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe because we've got lots more trips coming up. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
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 Take me with you.
Okay, this could be hilarious.
Oh my god!
Yeah, Max, what do you think of the couch?
I think it's rubbish. I hate it.
And why is that, Max?
Because there's no internet.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have safe travels, everybody, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.